Whole house fans are a total game changer for cooling your home without cranking up the air conditioning and racking up your electric bill. So, here's the deal with these fans. First, make sure you open windows on opposite sides of your house to create a smooth airflow path. Pull the cord to open the slats and turn on the fan early in the morning or late evening when the outside air is cooler. This helps push out hot, stale air and pulls in fresh, cooler air from outside. Keep in mind, whole house fans work best when the outdoor humidity is low, so skip it on really muggy days. You don't need to run your HVAC system as much, which can save you some serious cash on cooling costs. If your fan is old like yours, check the motor and blades for dust or wear to keep it running smoothly. Also, consider installing door stoppers or weights to prevent bedroom doors from slamming shut because of the strong airflow. Lastly, try not to use it during the hottest parts of the day since it can pull warm air inside instead of cooling your house down. One of the biggest mistakes people make with whole house fans is forgetting to open enough windows, which blocks airflow and makes the fan useless. Just open multiple windows wide to get that breeze going. Another common issue is running the fan during high humidity or very hot weather, which actually makes your house feel warmer, best to wait for cooler times of day. Finally, ignoring maintenance on older fans can lead to noisy operation or decreased performance. Cleaning and lubricating parts or upgrading components can fix that right up. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors for any home improvement or repair job. At the same time, it gives contractors an easy way to connect with people looking for reliable pros to get work done.